Hello everyone, welcome to our booth. Today we are going to introduce you by few steps how to get a new screen protector film by using our automatic machine. First, get your phone. The first step, remove the old protector screen that you have. You get the old ones away. Second, use the tissue that we prepared. The next step, choose the right version of phone. Now, get your phone ready and put it into here. For the payment method, we can also customize it according to which country, which is popular payment method in your country, and also we can customize the languages as well.